feel like keeping houseplants alive is harder than it should be? You start with the best intentions, watering on schedule, finding the perfect sunny spot, and somehow, within weeks, that vibrant green beauty starts drooping, yellowing, or worse, turning into a crispy mess. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Life gets busy and not everyone has time or the knack to care for fussy plants. But here's the good news. Some houseplants are basically indestructible. They can survive missed waterings, low light, and even the occasional cold draft without throwing a fit. In this video, we're covering 20 of the hardiest, low-maintenance houseplants that are perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or someone who's killed more plants than you'd like to admit. From trailing pothos to tough snake plants, these green companions will brighten up your space without demanding constant attention. Let's dive in and find the perfect houseplant that actually thrives on a little neglect. Pothos, Epiprimnum aureum. Pothos is a versatile and resilient trailing plant native to the Solomon Islands. Its heart-shaped leaves, often variegated with vibrant shades of green, yellow, or white, make a stunning decorative statement in any space. Beyond its beauty, Pothos is known for its exceptional air-purifying abilities, helping to remove toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from the air. This adaptable plant thrives in a range of lighting conditions, from low light to bright, indirect sunlight, making it perfect for offices, bathrooms, or areas with limited natural light. Pothos is also forgiving when it comes to watering. It prefers its soil to dry out between waterings, making it an ideal choice for busy or forgetful plant owners. One of the best things about Pothos is how easy it is to propagate. Simply cut a healthy vine just below a node and place it in water. In a few weeks, roots will develop, giving you new plants to decorate your home or share with friends. Whether displayed in a hanging basket, trailing from a shelf, or climbing a moss pole, Pothos brings a lush, vibrant touch to any space with minimal effort. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is admired for its sharp architectural leaves that add a bold, modern touch to any space. Native to West Africa, this hardy plant can grow up to 1.2 meters tall, showcasing stiff, striking green and yellow variegation that make it a true statement piece. What makes the snake plant so popular is its near indestructible nature. It thrives in a wide range of temperatures, from as low as 5 degrees Celsius to as high as 27 degrees Celsius, and adapts well to various lighting conditions, from low light corners to bright, indirect sunlight. Its resilience makes it perfect for beginners or those who occasionally forget to water their plants. The snake plant is also incredibly low maintenance when it comes to watering. It prefers its soil to dry out completely between waterings, making it highly drought tolerant. As one of the few succulents that can thrive in both high and low humidity environments, it's a versatile option for different rooms, including bathrooms and bedrooms. Beyond its striking appearance and hardiness, the snake plant is also a powerhouse air purifier. It effectively absorbs toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene while uniquely releasing oxygen at night, a rare trait among houseplants, making it an excellent addition to bedrooms for improved air quality and better sleep. Whether placed in a minimalist pot on the floor or displayed on a tabletop, the snake plant brings an elegant sculptural element to any home while purifying the air with minimal effort. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zammiifolia. The ZZ plant, native to East Africa, is celebrated for its smooth, glossy leaves that bring a striking, sculptural touch to any space. Its thick, upright stems and dark green, pinnate leaves can grow up to a meter tall, making it a bold and elegant statement piece in any room. One of the ZZ plant's most remarkable features is its rhizomatous roots, which store water and allow the plant to survive long periods without watering. This makes it an ideal choice for those who travel often or sometimes forget to water their plants. It thrives in a range of lighting conditions, from low light to bright, indirect light, though it grows best in moderate light. Beyond its beauty and resilience, the ZZ plant is also known for its air purifying abilities, helping to filter toxins like xylene, toluene, and benzene from the air. It's an incredibly low-maintenance plant, requiring minimal fertilization and pruning, and it adapts well to various indoor environments. The main care tip for ZZ plants is to avoid overwatering, as it's one of the few things that can harm them. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings to keep the plant healthy and thriving. With its sleek, modern appearance and hardy nature, the ZZ plant is perfect for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers seeking an attractive, low-maintenance addition to their indoor garden. The spider plant, or Chlorophytum comosum, is a classic indoor plant that has remained popular since the 1980s, thanks to its striking appearance and resilient nature. Its long, arching leaves, adorned with green edges and a creamy white stripe down the center, create a vibrant, lively display that adds a touch of freshness to any room. This plant isn't just about good looks, it's also incredibly easy to care for, making it perfect for beginners, busy individuals, or anyone who tends to forget their watering schedule. Adaptable to a range of light conditions, the spider plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, but can also handle lower light environments, even surviving under artificial lighting. Watering is simple and forgiving. It prefers to dry out slightly between waterings, and occasional neglect won't harm it. This hardiness extends to its tolerance for varying indoor temperatures, making it a versatile addition to almost any space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the spider plant is known for its air-purifying abilities. Recognized for filtering toxins like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide, it not only decorates your space but also contributes to a healthier indoor environment. One of its most endearing qualities is its ability to produce spiderets, or baby plants, which dangle from long stems and can be easily propagated. With a simple snip and a bit of water or soil, these offshoots grow into entirely new plants, making it a gift that keeps on giving. The cascading nature of the spider plant makes it perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves, where its flowing leaves and dangling spiderets can be displayed to full effect. Its blend of beauty, resilience, and air-purifying benefits has solidified the spider plant as a timeless favorite, proving that even the most laid-back plant owners can keep this green gem thriving. The ponytail palm, Biocarnia recurvata, native to eastern Mexico, is an eye-catching houseplant known for its distinctive shape and low-maintenance nature. Despite its name, it isn't a true palm, but a type of succulent, perfectly adapted to store water in its unique bulbous base. This thick trunk not only adds to its visual charm, but also acts as a natural reservoir, allowing the plant to go for extended periods without water. Ideal for those who occasionally forget their plants. The real showstopper is its fountain of long, slender leaves that cascade from the top like a playful ponytail. These leaves, often curly or wavy at the ends, give the plant its whimsical, almost cartoon-like appearance, making it a fun and lively addition to any indoor space. Its slow-growing nature means it will stay compact for years, but with time, it can reach impressive heights, especially if placed in a bright, sunny spot. Caring for the ponytail palm is simple. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light conditions, though its growth may slow. Its drought-tolerant nature means it prefers infrequent watering, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings is key. Overwatering is the most common mistake, as the bulb stores more than enough moisture to sustain the plant during dry spells. The ponytail palm's sculptural form makes it a natural focal point in any room. Whether displayed in a minimalist pot to highlight its unique trunk, or set among other houseplants for contrast, it brings an element of fun and elegance to your indoor garden. Its combination of striking looks and easy care requirements makes it a perfect choice for both new and seasoned plant enthusiasts. The peace lily, Spathiphyllum, is a timeless houseplant celebrated for its graceful beauty and low-maintenance care. With its glossy, deep green leaves and elegant white spathes that resemble delicate flowers, the peace lily adds a touch of tranquility and sophistication to any space. Often seen as a symbol of peace and harmony, it's not only visually soothing but also incredibly forgiving, earning its reputation as the bounce-back queen among houseplants. Native to the tropical regions of the Americas, the peace lily thrives in indoor environments, especially in low-light conditions where many other plants might struggle. It prefers bright, indirect light but will tolerate shadier corners, making it an excellent choice for offices, bedrooms, or any spot lacking natural sunlight. When it comes to watering, the peace lily is refreshingly communicative. Its leaves will droop when it's thirsty, but perk back up shortly after a good drink. This forgiving nature makes it a favorite for those still mastering plant care. Beyond its beauty and resilience, the peace lily is also known for its air purifying abilities. It's been recognized for its capacity to remove common indoor toxins, such as benzene, formaldehyde, and ammonia, contributing to a cleaner and healthier living environment. Its ability to combine aesthetics with function makes it more than just a decorative plant. The peace lily's simple yet elegant design fits seamlessly into various decor styles, whether placed in a minimalist pot for a modern look or surrounded by other plants for a lush jungle vibe. Its calming presence and easygoing care routine make it a staple in many homes, offering both beauty and a breath of fresh air with minimal effort. Aloe vera is a well-loved houseplant, not only for its renowned medicinal properties, but also for its bold, sculptural beauty. With thick, fleshy leaves arranged in a rosette pattern, aloe vera adds a touch of desert charm to any indoor space. The pointed, green leaves are often edged with soft serrations and filled with a soothing gel known for its ability to calm burns, skin irritations, and minor cuts, making it both a functional and decorative addition to your home. As a succulent, aloe vera is perfectly adapted to store water within its plump leaves, making it highly drought-resistant and one of the easiest plants to care for. It thrives in bright, sunny spots, ideally on a windowsill that receives plenty of direct light, and prefers to dry out completely between waterings. In fact, overwatering is one of the few things that can harm this hardy plant, so a hands-off approach works best. Aloe vera's clean, architectural form makes it a standout on its own or as part of a succulent arrangement. Its natural resilience and low maintenance needs make it ideal for busy plant owners or beginners. Plus, having an aloe vera plant nearby means you'll always have access to its soothing gel straight from the source. With its blend of striking looks and practical benefits, aloe vera is the perfect balance of beauty and function for any indoor garden. The rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a striking houseplant that brings a bold, tropical touch to any indoor space. Its broad, glossy leaves, often deep green with a subtle reddish tinge, create a lush and sophisticated look that makes a statement in any room. Native to Southeast Asia, this hardy plant has the potential to grow into an impressive indoor tree if given enough space, adding height and drama to your indoor garden. One of the rubber plant's standout features is its adaptability. It thrives in a range of light conditions, from bright, indirect sunlight to lower light spaces, though brighter spots will encourage more robust growth and richer leaf color. Its care routine is simple. Rubber plants prefer infrequent watering, allowing the top few inches of soil to dry out completely before the next drink. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone prone to forgetting their watering schedule. The thick, leathery leaves not only enhance the plant's visual appeal, but also contribute to improving indoor air quality by helping to filter out toxins. As it matures, the rubber plant can develop a strong, woody stem, giving it the look of a small tree, perfect for filling empty corners or creating a natural focal point in a room. With its combination of resilience, air-purifying benefits, and bold aesthetics, the rubber plant is a favorite among both beginner and experienced plant owners. Whether styled as a compact tabletop plant or allowed to grow tall and tree-like, it adds a touch of tropical elegance and natural beauty to any interior. The zebra plant, Haworthiopsis attenuata, is a charming, low-maintenance succulent that brings a touch of the wild indoors with its striking animal print foliage. Native to South Africa, this compact plant features thick, dark green leaves adorned with bold, white horizontal stripes, giving it the distinctive look of a zebra's coat. Its unique appearance is so perfect in Sculptural that it's often mistaken for an artificial plant. Ideal for small spaces, the zebra plant's compact, rosette form makes it a great choice for desks, shelves, or sunny windowsills. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also handle some direct sunlight, which helps maintain its vivid coloring and healthy growth. As a drought-tolerant succulent, it stores water in its thick leaves, requiring only occasional watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings, and it will happily continue to thrive with minimal attention, perfect for those who prefer a low-fuss plant care routine. Its architectural form and eye-catching patterns make the zebra plant a natural fit for modern, minimalist decor, while its resilience and easygoing nature make it an excellent option for beginners or anyone looking to add greenery without the extra work. Pop it on a sunny windowsill, water it sparingly, and enjoy the bold, exotic charm it brings to your space. The Kentia palm, Howea forsteriana, is the epitome of understated elegance, bringing a lush tropical feel to any indoor space with its graceful feathery fronds. Native to Australia's Lord Howe Island, this slow-growing palm is prized for its ability to add height and greenery without overwhelming a room, making it a favorite for both homes and offices. With its long, arching fronds that fan out gently from slender stems, the Kentia palm creates a soft, airy aesthetic that complements a variety of decor styles, from modern minimalism to classic interiors. Despite its refined appearance, it's surprisingly hardy and adaptable. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light conditions, making it ideal for spaces that don't receive much natural sunlight. Its watering needs are equally forgiving. Allowing the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings is usually sufficient, and it can handle occasional neglect without issue. One of the reasons the Kentia palm is considered a premium houseplant is its slow growth rate. While this makes it perfect for spaces with limited room, since it won't outgrow its spot too quickly, it also means it takes years to reach a saleable size, contributing to its higher price tag. However, this slow growth also translates to a long-lasting, low-maintenance plant that will remain a stylish focal point for years to come. Whether used to fill an empty corner, frame a seating area, or simply bring a touch of the tropics indoors, the Kentia palm offers timeless beauty paired with easy care requirements. Its combination of elegance, resilience, and slow, steady growth makes it a cherished addition to any indoor jungle.